Today, I'll dwell on our first visit to Frampton Marsh RSPB. This happens to be my 13th RSPB reserve. Hello and welcome back to Explorers Ray's channel. It was a cracker of a day for birds. Hopefully a cracker of a video as well. Apart from the usual birds, we got to see two rare visitors, a plover and a stork. First, I will talk about the lovely summer-plumaged plover. If you're thinking it's a European golden plover, well, you're close. It's actually the smaller-sized Pacific golden plover. We got amazing views of this bird, although the video doesn't do any justice. What we saw was in molting plumage, which just means changing from summer to winter plumage, or vice versa. This bird differs from the European golden plover in that it has a more marbled back. It is very rare to see them in Western Europe, so I'm pretty lucky to have had a great view of this bird. They breed in North Siberia and Alaska, and winter in South Asia, Oceania, California, and Hawaii. Did you know this bird has recorded non-stop flights about 4,800 kilometers in 3 to 4 days on its migration? What a bird, and what an effort to take such an arduous journey. I doubt I could walk more than 10 miles without taking a break. Moving on to the next bird, the considerably larger black stork. It is quite a shy and wary species, so we actually got a pretty impressive view of this bird. We are also lucky to see this bird because it rarely wanders out of its range. It breeds in most of Europe, but it is quite hard to see, even in its range, because, as I mentioned earlier, it is shy and wary. Anyway, I will now let you enjoy the rest of the birds we have seen at this reserve.